This 250-home development in San Jose, California, is typical of hundreds of new projects that have already abandoned conventional methods of concrete construction in favor of Conform, the exciting polystyrene formwork that's revolutionizing the way America builds. Conform, the one-step insulating formwork, the industry leader in expanded polystyrene construction. Now, like never before, builders can realize a cost-effectiveness impossible with more conventional methods of wall construction. Made of tough interlocking units for walls in widths of 4, 6, and 8 inches, Conform can be used for just about any type of wall construction, whether structural or decorative, commercial construction, high or low residential construction, basements and retaining walls, stem walls and grade beam foundations, sound and freeway walls, swimming and lap pools, even complete houses. In fact, virtually any construction using poured-in-place or tilt-up concrete or concrete blocks can be done quicker and more economically with Conform. Perhaps the most obvious advantage of Conform is its light weight. Each unit weighs only 1.5 pounds. Offloading from delivery trucks can be accomplished easily by hand. No need for forklifts, and that's particularly good news when the ground is steep or muddy. The Conform pallet load weighs only 35 pounds. The same area of concrete blocks would weigh over 1 ton. Assembled on the job site, the interlocking units use plastic ties to create standardized concrete core thicknesses and serve to support reinforcing steel. Because it can be cut with a handsaw, Conform easily allows construction of curves, angles, or openings of any shape or size. Design elements often eliminated from conventional construction. With Conform, such aesthetic design needs added value, not added cost. Fitting the interlocking units together is all it takes to produce perfectly straight and plumb walls and true 90-degree corners with minimal bracing. No need for extensive, costly, and time-consuming wooden forms. And there's no wasteful scrap either. By retaining heat and moisture, Conform expanded polystyrene provides an ideal curing for concrete mixtures. Special end caps complete the formwork. Once the steel and concrete are added, the units become monolithic construction. Most Conform walls can be poured continuously and without delay. And the high insulating qualities of Conform means that the building season can be extended, even as the weather gets colder. Inside the Conform unit, moisture and temperature create an ideal curing environment for the concrete, adding strength and virtually no exterior cracking. It's a fact that Conform offers insulating properties superior to most other materials, with an R rating of nearly 20, with commonly used finishes. And these insulating properties don't deteriorate with age. The closed cell design and moisture resistance means Conform is the optimum thermal construction method. Because the structure is the thermal mass and the formwork the insulation, the need for additional costly insulating materials is eliminated. And the acoustic values are just as great. The Conform unit creates a barrier between the concrete and the gypsum board that provides sound insulation meeting all established standards without application of other acoustic material. Because Conform is amazingly flexible and lightweight, most foundation and wall jobs that normally take days can now be accomplished in a matter of hours. Imagine the developer's delight when the contractor tells him that the concrete work is done ahead of schedule. Once the wall has been poured and the concrete allowed to cure, wiring and plumbing can be recessed easily in chases routed or cut into the interior form face, saving even more time and labor. Finishing the Conform system offers the designer a full range of options, from shingles, plywood, or wood siding to stucco, brick, masonry, or aluminum. Inside, half-inch gypsum wallboard or other suitable 15-minute thermal barrier can be bonded to Conform with an adhesive. No more waste cutting or nailing to stud dimensions. The introduction of Conform's unique variable width options allows Conform to meet any firewall construction code requirements. There are dozens of environmentally sound reasons for choosing Conform. It's permanent and less toxic than wood. It's made without chlorofluorocarbons, so it's not harmful to the Earth's ozone layer. Fungus and bacteria won't grow on it. Rodents and insects won't eat it.